Canva. Now you're worthless to everyone. At least this Christmas. Try to my punching bag.
We all know Canva isn't great for quick designs. You end up spending hours scrolling through templates, dragging elements, and still getting a copy-paste design style. But now, with AI, we can create eye-catching designs in seconds. Meet Dreamina, your all-in-one creative team. Built by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, it generates 4K commercial quality visuals from a simple text prompt. Christmas ads, posters, greeting cards, done instantly. Just type what you want. And you're done. First, go to dreamina.capcut.com. I've dropped the link in the description so you can get started instantly. Once you're on the platform, you can dive right in by either clicking Explore to browse ideas or hitting Create to open a fresh workspace for your project. And now, let's switch to AI image. You can even turn your images into videos. I'll show you how to do that in the demos. The more interesting part? Dreamina now offers Google's Nano Banana Pro. You can try any model here, but I'll be using Dreamina's image model 4.0. Here, we'll see a few examples, from creating thumbnails to Christmas greeting cards, so you understand how to use it properly. Alright, let's kick off Demo 1. In this demo, we're going to see how to create a MrBeast-style thumbnail in seconds using AI. If you look at the MrBeast channel, every single thumbnail is absolutely outstanding. Bright, bold, expressive, they grab your attention instantly. But here's the real question. Can AI actually recreate thumbnails at that level? Let me show you the magic. First, we start by uploading an image. With this image model, you can add up to 6 reference images at once. For this demo, I'm uploading Image 1, the base photo of MrBeast. Image 2, a Santa hat. Next, in the prompt, I simply type, create a thumbnail, MrBeast in a full Christmas costume, fighting sharks, with text that says, OMG, this is AI. Then I hit generate, and boom. In just seconds, the model transforms the base photo into a fully styled, festive Christmas action scene. The lighting, the costume details, the proportions, everything looks natural, polished, and professional. It's clean, sharp, and absolutely thumbnail ready. This is the power of Dreamina, turning wild ideas into stunning visuals in seconds, with zero stress. Demo 2, creating a Christmas greeting card. Alright, in this demo we're going to create a Christmas greeting card in just a few seconds, and the best part? No image uploads needed. We're starting directly with a prompt. So first, I'll simply tell the AI to generate an ultra-realistic Christmas card, photographed as if it were a real printed greeting card. Then I'll add the message I want displayed, for example, Merry Christmas. Next, I'll choose my preferred aspect ratio, click Generate, and that's literally it. And here we go, our Christmas card is ready almost instantly. Notice how quickly everything came together. With Canva or other design tools, you'd usually have to create the layout manually, adjust fonts, pick backgrounds, experiment with filters. But here, the AI produces a fully designed, polished card in seconds, no tweaking necessary. Now let's make a small update in the prompt, just to show how easy this is. I'll change the text to, Happy New Year. Then regenerate the card. And there it is, instantly. The style, colors, and overall design adapt automatically to match the new message without any extra effort. So that's how fast and simple it is to create professional holiday cards using AI. No design skills, no manual editing, just a prompt and a click. In Demo 3, we'll explore how to create stunning Christmas banners using AI. First, start by asking the AI to generate a festive Christmas banner 16 by 5 with a deep red gradient background. Include the text you want displayed on the banner. Feel free to add any related holiday elements you think fit the theme. You can customize anything in the prompt, colors, decorations, fonts, or even style. Next, set the aspect ratio to auto. Why auto? Because you've already specified the perfect size, 16 by 5, which works beautifully for a horizontal YouTube banner. Then click Create. Once the banner is generated, you'll see a beautifully crafted Christmas design come to life. It has a smooth red background, nice holiday decorations, and your text displayed clearly in the center. The 16 by 5 size makes it a perfect fit for a YouTube banner, so you can use it right away without any resizing. In Demo 4, we'll see how the AI decorates the home. Here's the original image, a Christmas tree inside the home. Now, we're going to decorate it using our prompt. Let's ask, a clean, radiant nighttime scene featuring a tree with white glowing lights. Then simply click Create, and that's it. The result is a beautifully enhanced Christmas scene, with the tree shining in white light and the entire home glowing warmly, giving it a cozy and enchanting holiday feel. In Demo 5, we'll explore how to create an eye-catching Coca-Cola ad poster. First, upload the image of Santa Claus, followed by a Coca-Cola bottle. Next, give the AI this prompt. Use the uploaded image of Santa Claus and turn it into a festive advertisement. Santa is joyfully drinking a bottle of Coca-Cola with 20% off and a catchy slogan of your choice. Finally, click Create and watch the AI generate a vibrant, festive advertisement ready to grab attention. The result is a cheerful, high-energy ad with Santa enjoying Coca-Cola, bold promotional text, and a professional, festive layout perfect for marketing. Let's turn this into an amazing advertisement video. First, hover over your image. You'll see some customizable options pop up. Click Generate the video, and voila! Your image is automatically set as the input, taking you straight to the prompt area. Now, type in your prompt. Choose your video model. I'm going with VO3, and set the duration. Hit Generate, and just like that, your video is ready. Check out the results. The animation is smooth, the colors pop, and the timing is perfect. It really brings your concept to life and feels like a professional advertisement. But we're not done yet. You can also add a soundtrack. Hover over the video result and click the music symbol. You have two options. One is generate based on your first frame, and the other is customize the soundtrack on your own. I'll stick with the first one, then click Create. And there you have it. Your video now has motion, visuals, and music, a fully polished, attention-grabbing advertisement ready to share. Finally, from creating outfit changes and Christmas cards to professional, eye-catching ad videos, everything is covered. You'll find the Dreamina link in the description. Don't forget to use it. That's all for today's tutorial. See you in the next video with another exciting AI tool.